Hey girlies, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Sierra, but I go by C. So I'm only doing a video today because I got a new ring light from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. And I wanted to just see, how the light was treating sis. You feel me? So yeah. So for the sake of this video, we just gonna do an eyebrow tutorial. Boom, that's it. Never did one before, so we're gonna see how this go. So first of all, I'm gonna sharpen my eyebrow pencil because she looking a little dull. So I'm gonna do that first. I just use a regular pencil sharpener, like that. So to line my eyebrows, I don't use like a consistent eyebrow pencil or pomade. Whatever I find that got my color, that's what I use. So today, I don't even know. Oh, it's a Rimmel London eyebrow pencil. And this is the shade Black Brown. No wonder this shit's so fucking dark. Wow, I've never read that until today. So my mirror is over here and I have one right here. So I might be in between both of them bitches, to be honest. So, this is a different eyebrow pencil as well, but I'm just gonna use the spoolie off of this. Yeah, so I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up. Ooh, these little edges in the way, baby. Move. But yeah, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows up, and I like to kind of follow the natural shape of my eyebrows, so I kind of just like brush them back down, I guess. Yeah, that's what I do. So I'm gonna line very lightly the bottom of my eyebrow because this eyebrow pencil is very dark, especially like for my my eyebrow hair color. So we're gonna do that. Okay, first of all, let's talk about this girl, well, this lady that put that damn Gorilla Glue spray on her hair. And I seen on Snapchat, like in the subscription part, that she is trying to sue that company because you used a spray for something it wasn't meant for. Then if you would have read the bottle, you would have knew that first of all, it was water resistant. That's one. Two, it's heavy duty. So how you gonna sue them folks when you use their product for something it wasn't meant to be used for? I just wanna know. Like, what is wrong with people? Like, seriously. But anyway, once that's done, we're gonna feel like the middle end a little bit and just keep following this natural little curve over here, the tail part, right? So each time I put product on there, I'm combing it out, blending it in, because I don't like my eyebrows too dark. So then I'm gonna take the top part, I'm gonna brush that down, and I'm gonna go literally right up. Wait, let me put that down, my hand's shaking. I'm gonna go right above, I hope y'all can still see, right above where my hair stops, and just follow that all the way over to connect it to the end of my brow. That's all I do. And once again, I'm gonna blend that in. And then whatever, oh, this gotta go. Whatever spots I still have left that look kind of, I guess, blotchy, I just fill it in.
I know, I don't do my eyebrows like the typical way for this, but this works for me. And I ain't been on here in minutes, because a lot y'all don't know. So a lot y'all don't.
So today I'm gonna use the Morphee M421 brush. It's just a regular flat concealer brush. And I'm gonna use Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 9. And I'm just gonna take a little, put it on my brush. And then we're gonna get the stroking. So me, I like to start in like the middle of my brow. Okay, Chloe. Then once I put that on there, I like to lift my brow up and just follow this line under here all the way up until it meets this other little part. That like real light shade that some people be doing. I don't like that. So then I take this brush and I just blend it out. It's just a fluffy brush. And don't judge my brushes because I don't do my makeup that often, so I don't clean my brushes that often. All right, but it's almost about that time, I'm not gonna lie, because it's probably like a lot of product on here. I just blend it out like that. And if I see any like little blemishes I want to correct, I just do that as well. Now for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the same concealer, but usually I use my foundation shade on the top of my eyebrows. But today we finna just wipe this off, honey, because I'm going to the hot tub, so I don't got time. So ooh, almost forgot a step. Before I put concealer on the top, I take my eyebrow hairs and kind of brush them down out the way, so I don't get concealer in it. And to be honest, it's kind of hard doing the top part of my eyebrows. I don't know why. I find it very challenging. Like, I always struggle with the top part. Boom, baby. And that's it. Brow action. And I mean, if I was doing like my other makeup, I would just blend that out, but we not doing all that today. And I just take the front and I kind of just, you know, go like that. So let me tell y'all a funny story. So yesterday, my gas light came on, right? So I'm like, okay, you know, I'm just gonna wait, put gas in it in the morning because I gotta go to base anyway. So it's cold up here. I went outside to start my car so it can warm up a little bit. I stayed inside for 15 minutes. 15 minutes, y'all. Went back outside to leave to go to work. Put my shit in reverse. Let my foot off the brake and my car went nowhere. My car was completely out of gas. I'm talking about not even one notch of gas in that motherfucker. So I had to call my friend. He had to give me a ride. Oh, I know I'm stupid, but it's okay because we got it taken care of. But anyway, so I already did this eyebrow. I'm gonna do this eyebrow off camera. It's no need of y'all watching me do the same thing on the other eye. So I will be back when I'm done. Okay, so obviously both eyebrows are now complete. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Like, that's all I do. Sometimes they look alike, sometimes they don't. But we get them done. But anyway, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys want more tutorials, I'll do that too. I'm definitely gonna do an updated like foundation and everyday makeup thing, whatever. A lot of people ask about my skincare routine, so I'll probably bring one of those too. And other than that, yeah, baby, stay blessed, stay positive, and always bring good vibes and smiles. Thank you for watching.